Welcome back everyone to Cruising with the Couscous. I'm your host, Punchy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a couple of great things, alright? Now don't worry, I read your comments. I know. I didn't show you how to properly cook pasta for the lo mein. I know, I just thought I could have believed in you a bit more, you know? I guess I can't. Don't worry, I got you covered. Because today, I'm showing you how to cook couscous. Now I know what some of you may be thinking, but Punchy, couscous isn't pasta. Oh yeah? Well it says right here, Moroccan style pasta. So, take that. So, basically you're just gonna need some Moroccan style pasta or couscous. You're gonna need a cup of this. Also gonna need a cup of good old homemade water. That's right. Freshly made. You're also going to need a tablespoon of butter. Whoops, where's the piece I cut? Oh, there we go. Tablespoon of butter, I have it cut it, ready to go. And maybe a little bit of olive oil, Parmesan cheese to taste. And if you want, you can put in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're not doing that today, alright? Now enough waving this knife around, let's get to cooking. Now first off, you want to start off by putting your 1 cup of homemade water. Just put it into the pan. And immediately, you want to get that sucker to boil. We're going to turn it on and just put on a high heat. Ooh, that heat. So good, so good. Reminds me of simpler times. You're also going to go ahead and throw in the tablespoon of butter. While that starts boiling, so it can melt, start incorporating itself in. And you also want to go ahead and put in a little teensy bit of olive oil. Again, this is just my personal taste. You don't have to put too much, and that's good. You just want this to boil basically. You just want to stir it a bit, get everything mixing, get the elements working together, you know. Now the beauty of couscous is that it's almost instant magic. You're going to go ahead and get 1 cup of couscous. The moment that starts to boil, it's not 1 cup yet, let's get to 1 cup now, shall we? There we go. And the moment it starts boiling, let's just dump that in. Stir it up a bit. You want to make sure it's all in the boiling water. And then you just want to set a timer for 5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Hey Alexa, play something hip.
Here's a station you might like, Chill Electronic, from Amazon Music.
Count magical. Oh, it's already ready. Alexa, stop! Well, that cooked a little bit faster than I expected. As you can see, this is basically done for the most part. Just absorbed all that moisture and it's just good to go. Woo! Oh, couscous is wonderful if you're getting home late from work and you just want something fast to eat with your meat or your leftover veggies. You just need that grain, that starch in your life, you know? So basically, you just put some couscous on the stove and you're done in under 5 minutes, you know? Instant magic. So we're not done yet. I like to add a little flavor, a little cheesiness. So I'm gonna go ahead and get Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. Please don't hate me for saying it the way I did. Parmesan cheese! Parmesan cheese! We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese in this sucker, alright? So, I love the artificial Parmesan cheese, so I'm just gonna put a whole bunch in. Oh, you screwed it up. What did you do? What did you do? We can coat that artificialness though with a nice fresh Parmesan cheese, you know? No, and you just want to mix it in. All right? Just want to mix it in. Oh boy. Oh boy. So you might be wondering, why all the Parmesan cheese? I can eat this stuff straight out of the bottle. You know? It's good. It's very good. Yeah, it might cut off a couple 20 years off my life, but hey, what's that? A murder sentence? I don't know. It's nothing. It's nothing is what I'm trying to tell you. Now, the heat of the couscous is slowly melting all the cheese down and basically becoming just a giant cheese ball. You might not be seeing it at first, but I do see it slowly becoming a bit gooey from all the cheese I've carefully measured in. This is very good. Oh yeah, you need to try this. Kevin, try this. It's good, right?
It's alright.
It's great, folks, alright? See, the Parmesan cheese was just what it is. Just a nice little, little kick, you know? Except the kick just kicked their head off, you know? Just, oof. And now that you know how to make couscous, you can't complain to me anymore saying I haven't shown you how to make pasta, alright? It's just like that, but longer. So yeah, thanks for watching my show. I've been your host, Punchy. And I'll see y'all next time. Remember, keep the cruise on cruising. Yeah, it was a short episode, wasn't it? Yeah. And we got time to kill, right? Alright? I don't think I can eat all of this. Want to take some home?